All right. We're live. Can you guys see me? Okay, I gotta make this bigger. Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me. My name's Ash. We have been going over a couple different things this week, and I appreciate you getting to the very last day of it. Today, I'm just going to recap everything that we have available to you and how we can help you learn how to trade or have semi-automated trading, fully automated trading, trading strategies, travel, so many things. So there's many different ways that you can make money with us here at Iconic, and I'm going to give us a little overview. So thank you so much for joining us. And Iconic is a pretty relatively new company. I think we've been with them now for about 6 months or so. So my leader, Jay Bonham, who taught us the kill shot strategy that I went over earlier this week, he is the educational director here. So he is very smart. He's a 9-figure trader, as I was going over earlier this week. This is a platform that him and a couple other people from a few other companies that we were with have gotten together, created a company, put together the verifications, all of the registrations, all of the stuff, licensing, all of those things. So this is a disclaimer. We are a membership-based platform that offers educational content, wellness products, and travel services. Participation in Iconic is not a guarantee of financial success. So we are here to teach you what to do with your own money. Any income or business results shared in this presentation are for illustrative examples only and should not be considered typical or expected. Past profits don't guarantee future results, right? So your results will depend on many factors, including your personal efforts, your skill, your expertise, market conditions, commitment, which things you opt into, which things you use, which things you don't, are all going to be variables in this for you. We do not make claims of guaranteed earnings. We cannot say that we will take your money and make X amount for it. Those things are typically scams. So we are here to teach you what to do with your money. All products and services descriptions are for informational purposes only and not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any diseases for our wellness products. Wellness results will also differ and vary between person to person. So before making any financial decisions or participating in trading activities, please seek independent advice from a qualified professional. By continuing to view this presentation, you acknowledge that you've read and understood this disclaimer. So seeking advice from a professional, that could be me, it could be people in your financial circle, it could be a financial advisor, there could be lots of things. But number one thing that we always tell you is that you're going to start in a demo account. You're going to learn what to do with fake money first before you ever put anything in. And that is the huge key to learning how to trade, is trading in a demo to figure it out of what you're going to do before you invest. Because there's no reason to lose money for just not knowing what to do, right? That's just a silly thing to do. So this is our corporate team. We have a whole bunch of amazing people in here. I personally have met a couple of these guys. They're very, very innovative in their industries, and it's really exciting to see them come together and to see everything that's going on here and how fast it's moving and everything like that. Your Iconic lifestyle, a movement redefined what it means to thrive in a modern world. 85% of people report being unhappy in their jobs. So I'm not sure how many of you guys are unhappy in your jobs, but of course you can change it. But this is an avenue that you can learn a skill that can't be taken from you, so you can better your lifestyle. 64% of those are actively seeking a side hustle. Trading can be considered a side hustle as long as, personally, I think you should consider it more of an investment strategy than a side hustle. But there's many different ways to earn revenue and income from trading, and you just got to ask and explore your options. And so our mission is really to awaken the potential within every human being. At Iconic, we believe that the greatest pursuits isn't success, it's elevation. To rise in how we think, to rise in how we feel, and to rise in how we lead. That is why we built more than just products. We built a pathway to help remind people of what they're capable of and live with purpose and to rise beyond limitation. So here at Iconic, we have a couple different pillars that we can focus on. Education, which is mainly what I've been talking to you about this week, is just all the different educational aspects. We do have health and wellness. They have products out, but they also are supposed to be launching a whole fitness app, which will be really neat. And then they also have a travel platform. This is their Atlas, which we'll be covering more on. It's very extensive. You can also create a whole other stream of income through this too, which I find really interesting too. But unfortunately, I live in Canada, so I don't get to partake in it. So, IQ Academy, where real world skills shape better, sharper entrepreneurs. So in this portal, this is going to be the academy. This is where you're going to be watching any of your live educators. You're going to get your IQ ideas or IQ insights. You can see what all the different educators are saying and get to all the different important places really easy on your desktop here. Just it shows the homepage. If you scroll down to the bottom, it has all the different apps. IQ Social is also live on there, so you can see any updates from any of the educators in real time as well. And you can really master the skills that matter most, from financial markets to digital marketing, and you could access expert lead courses, interactive live streams with mentors as well. So there is Forex in here, there's crypto in here, and there's digital marketing. There is supposed to be more academies coming soon as well, so hold tight on that. We have our IQ Center, which is our all-in-one educational platform. So it has an academy where what we were just talking about, the on-demand courses that are designed for every experience level. Live streams, so we can learn directly from expert educators and gain real-time insights of interactive environments. So we're trading live with educators. They're holding your hand while you're doing it, and they have recorded courses. So exclusive educator curated masterclasses offering deeper specialized learning experiences. So you can go on there, you can learn your kill shot boot camp, you can learn the advanced kill shot boot camp, you can have a mindset boot camp, smart shot boot camp. There's all of them on there. So you can check all of these different sessions out, whether that's you're starting in the academy, learning the basics, you've now moved on to the live streams with all the educators and you can see what they're doing in real action time, and you can go in the courses to review whatever it is that you need on your own time as well. So then we have IQ Social. This is another app that's connecting you with everything all in one place. Engage with master educators and connect with like-minded entrepreneurs. Access IQ ideas and receive potential market ideas that give you a clearer starting point, and tap into IQ insights as expert chart reviews and analysis accelerate your learning. So in here, you can see everything that you can on the web page, but on the phone, which is very convenient. So if you are trading on your computer, you can have it up on your phone and you can be cross-referencing it to take that IQ idea or IQ insight, or you're getting updated by the educators of when they're on. Now, IQ charts. We have just changed this recently, but IQ charts is actually a way that we have partnered with TradingView, and it gives you all of the scanners on your TradingView. So as I was showing you kind of in the session yesterday with all those different scanners, we just go into our back office, we put in our TradingView username, we select which scanners it is that we'd like to be sent to our charts, and then you can add them through the indicator tab in TradingView. So, you know, you can really see the markets through expert eyes, and they're going to be able to send us educator markups and real-time analysis just like they do in IQ Sync and Ideas, but to TradingView as well. You can elevate your skills with unique strategies and analysis methods, like we have talked about those different strategies that we have, those 5 right now. Turn every trade into growth. We are building and journaling powered by TradeZilla. So you can actually journal all your trades and stuff like that, which I find really cool and really helpful if you like journaling. I also like journaling by hand, but journaling on the computer also works really well as well. So now we have our other apps. We have IQ Sync and IQ Auto. So I don't have a slide for IQ Auto right now. It just came out. We are in our free trial weeks right now, which is great. We've had a positive week, which is really cool for everybody. Getting to see those awesome results in just simple form. You just connect your account and it trades for you. It's perfect. So IQ Sync is the semi-automated trade ideas. We get the trade ideas sent to our phone. You have to then approve it within a certain amount of time for it to go copy and paste into your account. IQ Auto alleviates all of that. You just sign up to which strategies you want to follow, and those educators will trade your funds for you. So you're always connected, and you can go from idea to execution. You don't miss any opportunities, and it also helps build your confidence with guidance because you can see what the educators are doing and follow along with them as they're doing it, since you can see it all in your account. None of these funds ever leave your own account. No one has access to your account. No one gets your password. It's always your money. You're just copying the trade ideas sent from our educators. So that's one real big difference, and I think standing out point for this platform is that you don't have to give up your funds to anyone and expect them to be sent back to you. That's always a scam. This, you're always in full control. You pick which broker you want to do, and no one ever sees your information. So it's very private and it's very secure. So now we have our health products that I'm just going to skim through here because they're only available in Korea at the moment. They are supposed to be coming to global markets in the future, but they have a couple different things that are supposed to be pretty good. I heard some of them have to do, oh yeah, this is NAD, ATP. That one's cool. That'll give you more energy for sure. Okay, anyways, on to IQ Atlas. This is our exclusive Lifestyle Club private subscription. So this gives you an exclusive Lifestyle Club, which is basically a big travel portal that lets you book a whole bunch of different things. You can book trips, excursions, cars, like anything that you could possibly think of doing, you can book it through IQ Atlas, cruises, all of that stuff. It's an amazing travel portal, and we do have presentations on it specifically and how it works. But I'm just going to skim through just the basics here today. But this is an IQ Atlas online travel portal, your passport to smarter travel. Save between 10% and 80% on over 2 million different global resorts and hotels. You can enjoy savings on rentals, cars, cruises, global 1, 2, 3 bedroom condominiums up to 7 nights. So you're not traveling? Well, you can access savings and rebates on online shopping malls, entertainments, and top brands as well. So there's a whole ton of different features that you can access in there. They do also have concierge services that you can book with. So you can phone them up and they can help you book your trip, especially if you say you want to go on a cruise with 10 cabins or more. This includes river cruises, ocean cruises, or yachts as well. Plan exclusive land packages with a minimum of 25 rooms. And this is more if you were doing it for corporate, obviously. But they have everything that you could possibly need, especially if you have other types of businesses that you're going on as well. So Iconic Escapes. This is VIP access to unforgettable journeys. Their group wholesale pricing for trips if you want to go on a group, global bucket list destinations, private curated experiences, and they create lifetime memories. So you can definitely come in here and do some amazing trips. They have a trip coming up that's going to Japan, and they have some amazing locations that they're going on. And I think it's like something like $400 or $500 per person to go to Japan and do like this insane 7-day trip with this group. It's amazing. So pretty exciting stuff. So Experience Pass. Give your friends a free look whenever they want to save, but you get to earn at the same time. So this is also another cool feature that we can help you build another stream of income as well as trading. But you can give your friends a free membership to the portal. You can save up to 50% on there. And basically how it works is when they book, whatever the difference kind of is, you get these credits to be applied to your own bookings and more. You can also get matching travel credits for their guest savings for dollar. So if they were to save $200, you get $200. Really cool feature, especially if you travel and you have friends that travel. You can just be like, yeah, hey, I'm staying here, book with me through this portal, right? And then you can actually start a home-based business for travel as well, where you can earn commissions 24/7, send customers to a VIP customer portal instead of just the free portal. And your customers can save up to 10% on hotels, and there's special industry training modules in there. So you can earn higher commissions, industry benefits, and all of this is only available in USA. If you have a US mailing address right now, if you want to create a travel business, you can also do this from anywhere, especially traveling. That's a great way to have an Instagram that's based on that, and then give away travel discounts. Fantastic way to make a business apart from trading. So now we have a whole bunch of different membership costs depending on how you want to join us. We have IQ Basic, which is very minimal. You're getting your Forex and Crypto Academy and live streams and socials, and then you get Kill Shot on your charts. However, if you go up to Pro or Prime, you're going to get a better inclusion. Pro is all of the different strategies and all the different charts and things like that, digital marketing, all of the education. Here, you're not getting the Sync and Auto app. This slide hasn't been updated yet, but here, the IQ Prime, you get IQ Sync and IQ Auto as well as everything in here. So typically, this is what you want to join with. I do have a $50 off discount code. So it only works for IQ Prime. So I can get this to you guys for $199.99 right now for your first month, and then $174 each month after that. And that includes everything that you would need. We have these emerging packs. This is it with I think this is Ascendia. So what this means here, emerging, is for our Latin America countries. They can join on. They have a couple other special things that they get in their accounts. Plus, they get a little bit of discount since their dollar isn't worth as much as ours. But they get IQ Ascendia as well. So then we have the Max Lifestyle account. This is the one that includes the travel portion, IQ Atlas, online travel portal, shopping discounts, travel dollars, concierge services, and group trips through the Escape. And that one is $250 for the first month, $184 for the second month. Now, say you wanted to come here, you don't care about the trading, you just want to get the travel discounts or become the travel agent, you can come in and buy these packages as well, just singular, depending on what you want to do. Again, we have some pretty good bonuses if that's what you want to do, but again, it's only available in the United States. So now we have our combo pack. This is our IQ Max Lifestyle. This is going to give you access to absolutely everything, all of the apps, all of the scanners, all of the education, all of the travel, all of the stuff. So that is the top pack that we have. And then we have another way that you can earn another stream of income through us. And that's if you become an ambassador. They have a great way where if you share the platform with others, you don't just inspire, you unlock exclusive rewards and perks. So we have 4 or more. So when a customer first joins, you join as a customer always. Even if you're planning on bringing people to the platform, we say join as a customer. We are traders for traders. We want you to come here and learn how to trade, take part in the trading apps, and learn how to make an income stream off of that. That's why we're here. That's the whole point of being here. The rest of the stuff is extras. So once you've done your trading, you've perfected that, then think about going on. But that's why we're here, is to learn how to trade. So this is all just secondary. But when you're a customer, you refer 4 other people to the platform, you're gonna get your account for free. So it's gonna give you a whole lot more excitement to come to the platform. You have 4 people you're bringing with you. They're gonna be your partners in crime, if you will. They're gonna help you learn. You're gonna bounce ideas back and forth. Community is huge. If you can bring your own community that you feel happy and comfortable with, that also really helps progress. And then you guys all build together, and it just makes everything so much better when you have that community aspect. So say you do that, you bring your 4 people on, your account is now free. So now you're just here having fun with your friends for free, and you're making money at the same time through these other streams of income. Now, you can actually go a little bit further past this as well, which is really cool. And I guess we're going to talk about the Escape to Dubai first. I thought that was the next slide, sorry. But we are having a Dubai Escape. It actually happens this week, all the leaders right now are traveling to Dubai. It's been so cool watching all of their stories. They also are having a regional event in Orlando. I don't have that slide on here right now either, but it's coming up at the end of January. I think it's January 31st. So if you're into those, that's the thing you want to do. So now this is talking about if you were an ambassador and you got your For No More, you now want to become an affiliate and you want to start building a team, you want to start making money through network marketing or affiliate marketing, whatever you'd like to call it. We then have our different tiers that you want to earn and step up into your journey here at Iconic. So our first level is Rising Star. This is when your monthly subscription is waived, so you're earning some cash up for your referrals. You have no weekly residual, but you have no monthly subscription. And you also qualify for these Iconic escapes. So that trip to Japan I was talking about, you're going to be able to qualify for that by just being a Rising Star. So now, say you bring on a couple more people, you've now graduated up to Silver Star, you're earning $700 USD every single month. So your weekly residuals, you get paid once a week, every Friday you get paid $175. You also can earn cash referrals for those people who you sign up in the meantime. And of course, you get to qualify for your Iconic escapes. And then after that, you get up to Gold Star, you've brought on a whole bunch of people, your team is growing, you're now earning $1,500 USD per month. Your weekly residuals look like $375 every single week for just showing people this platform and helping them take advantage of things like IQ Sync or IQ Auto. And life's good. You now have $375 to put into a trading account every single week so you can work on your trading. No excuses. You're now reinvesting $1,500 in your accounts. Your money will compound exponentially if you can follow that. So now we have a whole bunch of other levels as well. We got up to Icon here where you could be earning $10,000 every single month. So a lot of our top earners are now at this point, which is really cool. They might expand this in the future. But if you're building a team, this is basically what our compensation plan looks like. If that's something that you're interested in, you need to have a few personal enrollments in your legs. But at most, you need to make sure that you have enrolled at least 3 people on each one of your legs. And the rest can be volume from other people having other people. So say you know 6 people who are really good at network marketing, you could sign them up and they could build your team for you. You'd be able to collect your residuals, which is really cool that you can be a mentor, be a leader, and help other people and make money doing it at the same time. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh wow. Okay, so this is the rest of the compensation plan if you go up more. So 9 is the most you have to have for Legend. That's a huge amount. I don't know who's getting this. I wonder if there's anyone in the company. I'm going to have to do some research now. See if anybody's a Legend right now. But that would be epic. $1 million a month. I don't know how you pay your taxes at that point. Oh, that's funny. Okay, so anyways, this is what it looks like as a whole from Rising Star to Legend. That would be epic. I would love that. I want to celebrate somebody who's earning that. Cool. So that's everything for the presentation. So I just wanted to go into the dashboard again, just so you guys can kind of see what exactly is in here again. But this is our homepage. You can see who's live right now. You can go into the academy, do fast start boot camps, do all the basics, all that stuff. You have IQ Live where you'd go in and watch your trading sessions. IQ strategies, this is where the IQ charts are that would send you it on TradingView. And then we have our apps, IQ Social, IQ Sync, IQ Ideas, IQ Insights. Follow us on socials. You got a corporate activity feed. You also have an educator's activity feed. I guess it doesn't want to load right now. Anyways, live sessions. You have a schedule that you can follow. The educators will update this whenever they are on. You have your insights where you can have swing trade ideas for all of your different trading plans. There we go. And you can kind of plan out your charts to see what the educators are seeing. You also have your copy paste trade ideas straight from the educators that you can follow along with as well. And in here, this is kind of what it looks like for your scanners tab. You again put in your TradingView username and get whichever strategies it is that you'd like. And then this is also how you would download the apps for IQ Auto and IQ Sync. We also have Goldmine Telegram. That's a copy paste trade idea that is during London session that you can copy paste trade ideas for gold. And then we have our other apps again. And then our travel portal is here. And then we have just kind of our regular back office things. But that's basically all that I wanted to show you guys today. And I just want to thank you all so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. I'm going to leave you here. Please connect with me through social media, whether that's Instagram as Ashbarks or on Facebook is also Ashbarks. I think it's also Ashbarks on TikTok. So just get at me. Let's chat about this. If this is something that you'd like to do, let's get you the link. I think you can also find it in the comments.